io penso che sia veramente molto bello venire in vacanza qui a Barisardo in Ogliastra. I think is very beautiful live in Barisardo in Ogliastra. Tourists, we go in Ogliastra in Barisardo. What a beautiful place! This is one of the beaches of Barisardo in Ogliastra. It is one of the beaches. Barisardo. Look the Tower of Bari. Barisardo is a Sardinian town, about 4,000 abitanti. Barisardo è un paese di circa 4.000 abitanti. In the oriental coast of Sardinia. Sorry for my bad English, scusate per il mio inglese faticoso, ma non ci posso fare niente. This beach is called the Last Resort. In Italian, ultima spiaggia. Last Beach. C'è anche un campeggio qua dietro quegli alberi. There is behind the tree, the car, there is a camping, ultima spiaggia, the Last Beach, camping. Here you can go to the beach. You can go to the beach for the entire month of October. For entire month of October, you can go to beach. Come to Sardinia Beach in Barisardo, in provincia of Ogliastra. You can go in this sea but also in the mountains near me. I'm sure you will love it here in the country of Barisardo. Goodbye and good holidays in the future in Barisardo. Bye.